The ruling date has finally been set for President Yoon's impeachment trial, Friday at 11 a.m. The Constitutional Court will rule on the validity of the impeachment over Yoon's martial law declaration. Our correspondent Oh Soo-young lays out what to expect on the ruling day.
President Yoon Suk Yeol's removal or return to power will take effect the moment his fate is stated aloud by the Constitutional Court bench on Friday. Set to be broadcast live at 11 a.m., the nation will be reading the lips of Justice Cheong Hyung-sik, who as the presiding judge on the case will deliver the decision by the 8-member bench. The ruling will come 111 days after the National Assembly's impeachment vote last December, following the president's martial law order. The bench's deliberation is the longest ever for a presidential case, as the ruling will be delivered 38 days after Yoon's final trial hearing in February. While sources say the justices have reached an understanding on the verdict and scheduled a meeting for Wednesday, most likely to discuss procedural matters, the bench is expected to sign off on their decision at the very last minute to maintain utmost confidentiality. In the case of former President Park Geun-hye in 2017, the justices arrived early in the morning of the ruling to confirm their decision. If the same procedure is followed, the lead justice for the case, Cheong Hyung-sik, will present his opinion first, followed by other justices in reverse order of their appointments to the court. Once they establish a consensus, the bench will conduct a final review of the written judgment, collect signatures, and seal the ruling. When entering the courtroom to deliver their decision, the justices will take their seats in the order of seniority, with Acting Chief Justice Moon Young-bae at the centre to declare a start to the proceedings. Typically, if there has been a unanimous decision, the lead justice explains the rationale for the ruling first, followed by the main decision. If there are dissenting or various concurring opinions, the main decision is usually read first, followed by explanations from individual justices representing differing views. Prime Minister Han Duck-soo's impeachment trial was also concluded with the bench first declaring the case dismissed before revealing various opinions. However, as the order of delivery is at the court's discretion, the style of the proceedings could vary. If the court upholds the impeachment, with the consent of at least 6 justices, President Yoon will be removed from office. If the case is dismissed or rejected on procedural grounds by 3 or more members of the bench, he will return to his duties. While previous presidents did not attend their ruling session, President Yoon may choose to show up in the courtroom, as he's done for his hearings throughout the trial. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.